The relationship between climate change and space observations is very important in modern environmental science. Scientists use satellites and space technology to observe Earth from space and collect data about the atmosphere, oceans, forests, and ice caps. These observations help researchers understand how the climate is changing and what effects these changes have on our planet. Before the space age, scientists relied mostly on ground-based weather stations to study climate. However, these stations could only collect data from limited locations. The launch of satellites allowed scientists to observe the entire planet. Organizations like NASA and European Space Agency operate satellites that continuously monitor Earth's climate. These satellites measure temperature, cloud cover, greenhouse gases, and sea levels. Space observations provide a global view of environmental changes that would be impossible to see from the ground alone. Satellites help scientists track changes in Earth's temperature. By measuring infrared radiation emitted from the Earth's surface and atmosphere, satellites can estimate global temperature trends. These measurements show that the planet's average temperature has been increasing over the past century. This warming trend is a key indicator of climate change and supports scientific findings from climate models and ground observations. Space observations are especially useful for studying the polar regions. Satellites can monitor the size and thickness of ice sheets and glaciers. For example, satellites have shown that ice in Antarctica and Greenland has been melting faster in recent decades. This melting contributes to rising sea levels and can affect ocean currents and ecosystems. By analyzing satellite data, scientists can estimate how much ice is lost each year and predict future changes. Climate change causes sea levels to rise due to melting ice and the expansion of warmer ocean water. Satellites equipped with radar altimeters measure the height of the ocean's surface across the globe. Missions operated by NASA and National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration provide accurate sea level measurements. These data help scientists understand how quickly oceans are rising and which coastal areas may be at risk of flooding.